Bloomberg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Rutherford County in western North Carolina, Central Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Forest City, or near Bostic, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Lawndale, Bellwood, Lattimore, Kingstown, Mooresboro, Polkville, Shelby, Fallston, Bostic, and Forest City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland and Rutherford.